Now that we have secured our hosting and domain, it's time to install WordPress, which is the engine behind your website. You see, WordPress currently powers over 40% of all the websites on the internet, so it's a very powerful and beginner-friendly tool, which is why it's the best platform to build your online business on. Aside that, WordPress is perfect for affiliate website because you can easily add and customize pages. You can install SEO and affiliate marketing plugins. You can create a responsive design that looks great on all devices, and you can manage your content without the need to write any code. In our last video, we only registered the domain name on Hostinger, and now we need to link it to our hosting account in order to install WordPress. To do this, I will go back to the dashboard and click on Add Website at the top here. I will be asked some questions, so just follow along. Then choose WordPress and create your website login details. Remember to use a very strong password because this is how you'll be accessing your website. Next, choose the type of website you want to create. I'll choose blog in this case. Now they're asking me to choose from your theme library, but I'll simply click build from scratch. You can choose any of the popular themes here, but I will just choose the default theme called 2025. So for this part, I will deselect all the plugins and click on next. Finally, select the domain name we just registered and click on next. As you can see, it's now installing WordPress on our new website. And after installing WordPress, it has now redirected me to our backend or admin portal, and this is where we will configure everything we need. You can also visit your website backend anytime by typing your domainname.com/wp-admin. Lastly, I'll skip all these steps, but you can watch any of the short tutorials below if you want to learn more about designing your website on WordPress. Unfortunately, this is not a web design course, it's a business course, which is why in the next section I will show you how to find different themes, both paid and free, to make customizing our site even more simpler. Bye for now.